Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my February Ipsy Extra. I keep calling it Boxycharm. It is a subscription box. If you're not familiar, you get makeup, skincare, tools, 5 full-sized items. They pick the first 2 based on a profile that you fill out. You pick the other 3. When you open the box, there is some packing material. It says beauty is more fun here, Ipsy. Looks like it's a new box style. Very pretty purple. There is a flyer inside for the love of you. It's got some information in here. 8 tips for kiss-proof lips. Not your mother's cat eye. Some sneak peek information. There's usually a QR code to look up your products. It's right there. I'm just going to use the app on my phone. If you're curious what is already on my face, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box, including information about the Ipsy box. I tried to keep it all drugstore and was feeling some e.l.f. products today. I have the e.l.f. stain on my lips. I have the liquid shadow on my eyes, the primer and foundation, the brow. Oh, I did pick up e.l.f.'s new micro tip brow pencil, micro fine brow pencil. This is the only brand new thing on my face. First time trying it. I picked up the shade neutral brown and I like it very much. What you have to be concerned about with those little micro tip eyebrow pencils is that they can break off, and it did snap once, but I am heavy-handed. I am learning. It didn't break a second time, so far so good. You'll see this in an upcoming drugstore video, I'm sure. I think I'd like to finish my eyes first, and the first product in my box is this one here from Seraphine Botanicals. It is a mascara. It is the Big Flutter Waterproof Lifting Mascara. Retails for $29. Big Flutter formulation is engineered to lift, lengthen, and define every single lash without clumping, flaking, or smudging on you. Built to perform, its 180-degree nylon reimagined brush grabs even the tiniest lashes, stretching them to their full potential, wrapping each follicle with intensely black pigment, all while the waterproof lightweight formula keeps the coat locked in. Everything was wrapped very nicely. I will be honest and say that I'm not typically a waterproof mascara kind of gal, but I will try it for you. I know some people prefer waterproof. My biggest issue with waterproof is that it can be difficult to remove, and I don't like to tug at my eyes. So I'm more of a regular mascara or tubing mascara kind of girl. I do like the brush. Let us go ahead and put this on. It's definitely giving me some length, and I believe it says online that if you want to build it up, to make sure you build it up while it's still wet. So I'm just gonna go right in for a second coat. You can definitely feel it drying when you're going in with that second coat, so for sure, go fast, but really pretty. There we have 2 coats. I think it's very nice. My biggest concern is how difficult is it to remove. I will keep you posted, but length, volume, separation, it's a nice one. Next, I want to work on these under eyes. If you didn't notice, I do not have powder on and I do not have concealer on because I was sent the Makeup Forever, here we go, HD Skin Smooth and Blur Undetectable Under Eye Concealer. This retails for $33. It says online, goodbye to tired eyes with this featherlight buildable concealer that visibly smooths, brightens, and corrects with a natural, real skin finish. The skincare infused formula featuring hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, and snow mushroom helps plump, hydrate, and blur fine lines for up to 24 hours of flawless wear. They sent me the shade 2.1Y, which is Biscuit. I'm not sure I have ever tried a Makeup Forever concealer. Let's look at the shade. It's not too light. I don't think it's too dark. Take a little bit right here. Maybe over here. This is my Real Techniques concealer brush. I did just order my first BK Beauty brush How late am I to the game? I like my LYS concealer brush, but I keep that in my bedroom and I always forget to bring it in here. And everyone talks about that Nikki LaRose. I think I might have, actually I'm wrong. I ordered the Angie Hot and Flashy one, but I heard they're both good. If you have them, tell me how much you love them, because it was on sale on Ulta, but it's still not the cheapest. I'm wiping off the applicator because I feel like I could build it a little bit more. It looks good. I wouldn't call it full coverage. I don't think it claims to be, but my under eyes look very smooth and hydrated right now. The only thing I had on them was my eye cream. I kept my fan on it for about a minute because I wanted to make sure that it dried down before I added some powder. I just pulled in my Wet n Wild Pink. This is a great setting powder. I'm going to use this fluffy Sigma E53. And then I'll use my puff for the rest of my face. I have to tell you, I've been using a skincare device that a company was nice enough to send to me. It's got microcurrents and red light therapy, and I'm definitely seeing a difference in my skin. I'm gonna give it a month and come back to you and I'll talk about it. It's not sponsored. I've just never tried one of those. And so far, I'm really liking the difference that it's making with my fine lines. Maybe a little bit here. We shall see. I'm only about 2 weeks in. The next product is a bronzer from Ofra Cosmetics. This is the 3D Pyramid Egyptian Clay Bronzer. Retails for $40. Glow meets sculpt with this multitasking bronzer dash highlighter hybrid. The liquid to baked formula blends ultrafine pearls and warm bronze pigments for a seamless radiant finish. Swirl all shades together for an all-over warmth or use them individually to contour, highlight, or add a pop of color. These types of products generally make me a little bit nervous. Wow, that is really pretty. Look at that. Got a highlighter on the bottom and then different shades of bronzer right there. Let's swatch. See, I don't know how to use this. Let's see. I'm gonna go across the top. All right, feels very soft and creamy. Sorry, that's a lip stain I was playing with. And then here is the highlighter. I think I'll take my Makeup by Mario F3 brush because it has some smaller, it's got two smaller heads on it. And I'm going to go into this bronzer and let's just see. Actually, with the red tones in it, it looks more like a bronzer to me because one of these little diamonds has a lot of red in it. I don't mind it. A little bit down here. I think that looks pretty. Definitely a bronzer sort of style. Now I believe the next product I have has a highlighter as well, so I'm going to take the smaller side of this F3 and I'm going to go in to the highlight section of the Ofra and I'm going to just tap this right here. And we all know Ofra knows how to do highlight. Ooh, did she go too far? That's pretty. Next, I have a product from Aether Beauty. This is the Crystal Charged Cheek Palette, retails for $38. It includes 2 soft focus blushes and a luminous highlighter that blend seamlessly and build with ease. The silky, high payoff powders melt into your skin to brighten, define, and add natural looking dimension. Really pretty peach packaging. It's like a cardboard. I believe I saw online that their packaging is recyclable. Wow, and there's a little message on the top. Look beautiful. We remove the mirror and magnets inside to be more sustainable. We strive to make the best sustainable choices in all of our products. And let's be real, you'll probably be using this palette in front of a mirror anyway. By removing the mirror and magnets, it becomes fully recyclable and we are saving this palette from going directly into the landfill. It is a win-win for both you and our Mother Earth. Thanks for your love and understanding. Good vibes, beauty. Isn't that sweet? Let's go ahead and swatch this. There we go. So we've got two different peachy shades and then a pretty bold gold highlight. I'm going to use my Morphe A22. Speaking of brushes, they're retiring these. I wanted these for so long, and I think it's only been a year that I've had them, and now they're going away. Do I pick up BK Beauty brushes? Tell me your favorite brush set that you've ever picked up. They have another set, but it looks like that one is also limited edition, and I've had bad Morphe brushes in the past, so I'm afraid to buy just regular Morphe brushes. I don't know, do I just bite the bullet and buy BK Beauty? Let me try the highlight first on the other side of my face, because I like to put highlight on before my blush. So let's go over here with the gold highlight. Also, very pretty. I think it looks even a little bit more wet than the Ofra. And now I'll take that Morphe A22, and I think I'll go into the lighter peach shade. Let's go. I mean, we almost didn't even need blush with that Ofra. I'm not seeing it a lot, so maybe it's for a lighter skin tone, or I'm being too light-handed because I don't want to look like a clown. So I'm going into the darker shade now. Definitely see that. Very pretty, and it's got the little fan to go around it. Lovely. And the last product that I got is this one from Dew of the Gods. This is the Fila Nitro Ultra Peptide Eye Cream. This powerhouse peptide formula is like a morning latte for your eyes, infused with caffeine to help depuff, retinol to smooth and brighten, and peptides to support firmness, helps visibly reduce dark circles and fine lines for an energized, hydrated look. If I didn't mention, it retails for $40. Obviously this one I can't put on because I already had my eye cream on when I started the video. It came in a cute tin, and here is the eye cream. I'm not going to open it because I'm using an eye cream right now, but always nice to have another eye cream. I have received at least one product from Dew of the Gods before. I got under eye patches that are fabulous. I've added up the retail value of my products and I got a value of $180. Did I get my money's worth out of my box? Like I said, I think I pay around $30 because I paid for the gear. I say absolutely. And if I didn't mention in my intro, one of my favorite things about Boxycharm Ipsy is that they have a drop shop, and you can shop at any time and get very discounted makeup, tools, skincare, whenever you want. They have special sales, but anytime you can go on there and shop. And I found some fantastic things. I didn't pick up anything this month, but it's a really nice option to have. So let's go through the items that I got and I'll tell you my final thoughts, or should I say first impressions. The Big Flutter Waterproof Mascara from Seraphine Botanicals, I do really like it. I like the way that my lashes look. I will keep you posted if it is extremely difficult to remove, but so far I like it. The Makeup Forever HD Skin Concealer, I like a lot. It looks really nice. It felt very smooth and blendable on my under eyes. I'll keep you posted how they look at the end of the night. The Egyptian Clay Bronzer from Ofra, I think is a very nice option if you are looking for more of a bronzer type situation. And the $40 price tag, I believe that's how much this was, could be nice considering you're getting a blush, bronzer, and highlight all in one. I could see myself reaching for this in the summer for just an easy one and done cheek. The Earth Friendly Blush and Highlight Palette from Aether Beauty is gorgeous. I really like the design of the packaging. I thought that the peachy shades were really pretty. I think that highlight is gorgeous. Really nice blush and highlight palette. And I'm happy to have a new eye cream from a brand that I already liked products from, which is Dew of the Gods. I hope that this was enjoyable for you. Another reminder, I'll have everything listed and linked in the description box. I did forget to mention what's in the inner corner of my eye. I grabbed one of these multi-chrome liners that I just recently picked up from Moira, the Supernova multi-chrome. I'll have it listed, but it's really pretty. It's got peach and gold. It's really nice to just put in that inner corner for a little pop. If you choose to shop with those links that I put in the description box, I want to thank you very much. Some of them are affiliate links, and if you shop with them, I make a small commission and it helps support me and my channel. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought, if you get it, if you got something else, what you think of your products, or you can just leave me a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.